Fairhope Public Beach near the duck ponds has been closed for the last couple of days for cleanup.
Eroding bluffs above the park covered that end of the park with red clay. All of the heavy recent rains are to blame for the mess, and now the city is trying to find a solution to the problem.
Yeah, that's right. Fox 10 News reporter Hal Sherrick went there today to see how cleanup is going and what can be done to prevent a similar problem in the future.
A vacuum truck sucked clay-stained water from the parking area at Fairhope Public Beach today. The city is in the final stages of cleaning up a huge mess left behind after a large section of bluff washed out with heavy rains. At this spot, runoff from North Bayview Drive drains to one culvert and empties onto the bluff.
These rain events, they keep coming harder, faster, and so you got more water, and sometimes just a little bit of hole, or a little spot or one crumble of stabilization that once was stabilized, if it's not stabilized anymore, it just causes the erosion.
Work crews have replaced sod and put down hay mats to help slow down any further erosion, but they still have a lot of work ahead. Now that this massive chunk of hillside has been washed out into the park, it leaves Fairhope Public Works with a big question: what to do next?
Short term, we wanted to create some kind of a rocky barrier so that when the water shoots out, it would actually hit something, kind of try to settle down.
From there, the water will wash over two terraced areas to let the water settle down and drain slowly. But that's just a short-term fix. The city eventually hopes to not only find a permanent solution to the erosion problem, but also add more parkland in the process.
We can rebuild a lot of that bluff. We can add some parkland by adding retention, extending the storm drain that's actually just dumping out now. We can extend that, build up the bluff itself, put it all in a box, contain it, organize that water, and then build a retention at the base of the bluff.
That will all require engineering, time, money, and a vote from the City Council. Reporting from Fairhope, Hal Sherrick, Fox 10 News.
Fairhope Public Works says the north end of the park that's been closed should be open by sometime this evening for traffic.